In this module, you will learn about methods of separation. Part 1. Mixtures can be classified on the basis of their physical states. Solid mixture. Metal alloys are actually solutions of solids in solids. For example, brass is a solution of zinc in copper. Solid, liquid mixture. A sugar or salt solution is an example of a solution of solid in a liquid. Liquid mixture. Alcohol in water is a liquid in liquid mixture. Liquid, gas mixture. For example, carbon dioxide mixed in water. Gas mixture. Air forms a gas in gas mixture as it is a solution of gases like oxygen, argon, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. If you are provided with a sample of a mixture and asked to separate the constituents, you first need to figure out the type of the mixture. A mixture of sulfur and iron filings is separated by passing a magnet over it. The iron filings will get attracted to the magnet and will stick to it. This method is used to separate a mixture in which one of the components is a magnetic material. Salt from a solution is separated by evaporating the water from the solution. Evaporation is the process in which a dissolved solid substance is obtained from a solution by allowing the solvent to vaporize. Let's take a look at this process through a demonstration. Take a common salt solution, put it in a china dish and heat it gently. You will observe that the water evaporates and the common salt is left behind in the china dish as a white solid. Evaporation is used to separate a mixture containing a non-volatile, soluble solid from its volatile, liquid solvent. A filter paper is a special type of paper which has pores that are tiny enough to let only liquids pass through it. If you pass a solution through filter paper, any undissolved solid particles will get left behind on the paper, whereas the liquid will filter through. The liquid that passes through is called the filtrate, and the undissolved solid particles are called residue. Imagine you want to separate a mixture of chalk powder and water. For separating this mixture, first take a round strip of filter paper, fold it into half, then into a quarter, then open it in the form of a cone and place it in a funnel. Fix the filter paper to the funnel using a few drops of water. Now pour out the mixture slowly with the help of a glass rod. The filtrate collects in the beaker and the residue is left behind on the filter paper. The particles of fat in the cream cannot be separated into butter simply by filtering the cream. The fat particles are too small and will pass through a filter paper. You can separate such mixtures of solids and liquids by the process of centrifugation. The principle is that when the liquid is spun rapidly, the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. Centrifugation is used for blood and urine testing in diagnostic laboratories, in dairies to separate butter from cream, and in washing machines to squeeze out water from clothes. In this module, you learnt that to separate a mixture in which one of the components is attracted to a magnet, pass a magnet over the mixture. Evaporation is used to separate a mixture containing a solute and a solvent by evaporating the solvent. Filtration is used to remove insoluble solids from a liquid. Centrifugation is used to separate a mixture of a solid and a liquid in which the particles of the solid are very small.